Yeah, èmi náà ni olólùfẹ́ yín Yèyé Princess Adébùkúnmi mo ti ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ bá àwọn obìnrin sọ̀rọ̀. Yeah, mo fẹ́ bá àwọn ọmọbìnrin sọ̀rọ̀. Bóyá àwọn tó ti mọ̀ pé ọmọ ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ ni wọ́n, tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti lọ ṣe ìwádìí ara wọn, wọ́n ti sọ fún wọn pé ọmọ ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ ni wọ́n, tàbí àwọn tó ti sọ fún pé ọbabìnrin olókun ni wọ́n, àbí àwọn tí ò tí ì mọ̀, tí wọ́n ì tí ì mọ̀, that is, tí wọ́n ì tí ì lọ ṣe àyẹ̀wò ara wọn. But àwọn obìnrin ṣá in general mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà tí mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ ní ìmọ̀ràn kékeré tí mo ní fún yín. Ẹ má bínú pé ọmọ kékeré ló fẹ́ fún yín ní ìmọ̀ràn. Ẹ má bínú. Mo mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ inú yín á máa wò pé kí ni ọmọ kékeré yìí fẹ́ bá wa sọ? Ìjọ́ wo ni wọ́n délé ayé? Kí ni wọ́n mọ̀? Kí ni wọ́n mọ̀ pé wọ́n sọ? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má wò mí o. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó fẹ́ jáde lẹ́nu mi ni kẹ́ tẹ́tí sí. Nítorí pé ó máa wúlò fún yín ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, please. Don't look at the person that is talking, but listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth, because they're going to be useful to you in one way or another. Yeah. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ bá wa sọ ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́. If you know gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin pé kó o tó fẹ́ ọkọ, kó o tó wọlé ọkọ at all, pé o wà alright in your own way. Bóyá ò ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìjọba tàbí iṣẹ́ private, or ò ń ṣe business tọwọ́ yín tó jẹ́ pé ò ń ṣiṣẹ́, bóyá ò ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún yàn àbí ìwọ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún ara ẹ̀, that is, you're doing business or into one trade or another prior to when you got married, right? And you were okay. Financially, you were all right. You can take care of yourself, right? You can provide your basic needs prior to when you got married. Like, ẹ ti ń tọ́jú ara yín fúnra ara yín kó tó wọnú ilé ọkọ. Then, ó wá wọnú ilé ọkọ tán, nǹkan wá yí padà fún yín. Ó wá wọnú ilé ọkọ tán, ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé ó ti wà independent tẹ́lẹ̀, ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé ìwọ gangan ọwọ́ yín ti yá sí owó tẹ́lẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ pé o ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ti ń san owó gidi fún yín, tàbí o ń ṣe business tí owó ń wọlé sí yín lọ́wọ́ tí ìwọ wà okay. Mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ bóyá billionaire ni àbí billionaire, but àṣírí yín ń bò. Wọ́n tó ti mọ̀ wípé kó o tó wọnú ilé ọkọ, àṣírí yín kò tú, àṣírí yín ń bò nípa ọ̀rọ̀ owó. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó wá wọnú ilé ọkọ, nǹkan wá yí padà fún yín. Nǹkan wá yí padà fún yín. Ìwọ tó ti ń rí owó tẹ́lẹ̀, ó wá sáfẹ́rẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ó wá jẹ́ èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé ó wá wà dependent lórí ọkọ tó fẹ́ yín wọnú ilé. Meanwhile, ọkọ tó o fẹ́ yẹn, ìgbà tó o fẹ́ ọkọ, kì í ṣe pé àwọn náà tálíkà o, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n struggle, wọ́n hustle, coming up also. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó o wá fẹ́ ọkọ yín yẹn, nǹkan wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń lọ dédé fún ọkọ yín yẹn. Nǹkan wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń lọ dédé fún ọkọ yín yẹn. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé ìwọ ti ń rí ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀, ò wá rí ṣe mọ́. Gbogbo ọ̀nà wá dé fún yín. Ọ̀nà owó, gbogbo ọ̀nà tí owó fi ń wọlé fún yín, ó wá di fún yín. You now became totally dependent on that man. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín, ẹ jáde sórí ọ̀rọ̀ ara yín. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀bẹ̀ yín mo ń bẹ̀ yín o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Báwo ni wọ́n fi ń ṣe mo bẹ̀ yín ni o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jáde sórí ọ̀rọ̀ ara yín. Kò mà kí ń ṣe coincidence o. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn á sọ wípé coincidence ni. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé fídíò yìí tí mò ń ṣe, àwọn ẹlòmíì máa bínú sí ni. Wọ́n ní, what am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? Am I trying to say that the husband is using the wife, or the husband is doing that, or is doing that? Tí mi ò bá rí, mi ò ní sọ. Tí mi ò bá rí, mi ò ní sọ. Nínú iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe yìí, mo ti gbọ́ story tó jẹ́ pé mo gbọ́ story yẹn tán, òtútù wá mú mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Mo gbọ́ story, òtútù wá mú èmi. Tí mo gbọ́ sọ mo ní, ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ayé ìyá mi. Èmi ò ní fọ̀rọ̀ gùn, mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ jù. Ìmọ̀ràn tí mo mú wá fún yín, tó bá wù yín kẹ́ gbà, tó bá wù yín ẹ má bà. Ṣùgbọ́n fún gbogbo obìnrin tó jẹ́ pé ó ti ń ṣe dáadáa tẹ́lẹ̀, that you were okay in your own little way. I'm not saying whether you're a millionaire or a billionaire, but you were okay. At least you were seeing money, you were working or doing business. Owó dẹ̀ ń wọlé sí yín lọ́wọ́ kó o tó wọnú ilé ọkọ. Ó wá wọnú ilé ọkọ tán. Nǹkan wá dàrú fún yín. Nǹkan ò wá lọ déédéé mọ́ fún yín. Ọkọ yín nìkan ní nǹkan bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ fún. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó ṣe ìgbéyàwó tán, bó ṣe lè pàbó ni, ó ṣe lè pàbó ni, ó lọ síwájú pàbó ni, ó lọ sẹ́yìn pàbó ni, gbogbo ẹ̀. Ó kúrò lójú kan, ó lọ sẹ́yìn wájú, ó lọ sẹ́yìn, ọwọ́ ọ̀tún àti ọwọ́ òsì kò sí ní tó lọ. Ó wá dúró sójú kan, ó wá ń pò yìí lójú kan. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé you have been independent all your life before you got married to that man. All of a sudden, you got married to that man. You now became dependent on that man. Things that were happening for you stopped happening. Please, go out and find out what is happening. Go out and search for what is wrong. It is not a coincidence. No, it is not a coincidence that you got married and all of a sudden things that were going well for you started to go haywire. Things that were okay, things that you could do for yourself. I know that if you get married, your husband should be responsible for some things, right? But you had your own money prior to that marriage. You were working and making a living for yourself prior to that marriage. You were doing business and making sales for yourself prior to that marriage. All of a sudden, you got married. Everything now changed. You are nowhere to be found. Nothing works for you anymore. You cannot do anything for yourself anymore. You're now solely dependent on that man. Please, go and find out what is wrong with you. It is not just a mere coincidence. It is not a mere coincidence. The reason I'm saying this is because I heard a story, but I will not share the story. I will not even talk about it. But I just want to advise women based on that story that I heard. The story that someone that came to me told me of her encounter, of the thing that happened to her when she was in her marriage, something that her own husband, the man she called her husband, did to her in that marriage. I was shocked. I've been hearing it. But ti máa ń gbọ́ pé àwọn ọkùnrin mi wọ́n máa ń dọ́gbọ́n ni. Wọ́n á ṣe gbá àwọn ló mọ̀ ọ̀gbọ́n tó máa ń dán lára ìyàwó tí wọ́n ní. Èmi ti ń gbọ́ ni. Ṣùgbọ́n ilé mi ò tí ì pàdé ẹni tó dé pé kìíní ẹ̀ ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹnìyẹn ni. Mi ò tí ì pàdé tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹni tí kìíní ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Ṣùgbọ́n ọjọ́ tí mo wá pàdé ẹni yìí tó sọ story ẹ̀ fún mi. Kì í ṣe story èèyàn, story ara títẹ̀, story her own story of what transpired in her marriage between she and her husband. What the husband did to her. My dear, I was shocked. Please, I am begging you people, please. For those women that you know you were doing okay. I'm not saying that you were a billionaire or a trillionaire, no. But you were all right. You were independent. You could take care of yourself by yourself. And all of a sudden, you got married. And then everything changed. You can no longer afford to take care of yourself by yourself unless that man you call your husband gives you money. You can no longer take care of your parents like you used to do before you got married unless that man gives you money. You that before you got married, you were the one taking care of your mother or your father. All of a sudden you got married, you can no longer do that. It's not because you don't want to do it, because you don't have the wherewithal to do it. You don't have the means to do it. Please, I beg you. I beg you, before it is too late, stand up and go and search for what is wrong. It's not a mere coincidence. It is not a mere coincidence. Wọ́n ní àbọ̀rọ̀ là ń sọ fọ́mọlúàbí. Àbọ̀rọ̀ là ń sọ fọ́mọlúàbí. A word is enough for the wise. The world we are living in now, ayé tá ń gbé ní ìsìn. It is well. That is just my piece. Please, go and find out what happened. That everything turned upside down for you. Don't just sit down and feel relaxed that after all, somebody is taking care of me. That is not the reason